Nowadays, almost every major company is buzzing about AI, and you might have heard about AI from your peers, social media, and even your friends. Everyone is just talking about how AI will revolutionize their business. And there seems to be an immense pressure in the market to keep up with the AI trends. And now every other business is asking, how can they use AI in their business? But I believe this is a secondary question. Primary question, what companies should ask is, do they even need AI? So many company leaders fall into this exact trap. They want to include AI as a part of the company or product strategy without thinking of its clear advantages. AI is surely not a magic pill that can answer or solve to all the problems in the world. In fact, in many cases, several business or product problems could be solved using traditional programming methods, a solution that is far simpler and more reliable. And this gives also even greater control. And yet, they feel pressured to adopt AI just because everybody else is doing it. The buzz, the excitement, the fear of being left behind, it's all real. But making decisions based on pressure instead of actually need can derail the value of your business. So the question is how to avoid this? How to figure out if AI really is the right tool for the job? And it all starts with this one golden question: why? You've probably heard of the famous golden circle by Simon Sinek, where he famously quotes, "Start with why." It's all about finding purpose before jumping into action. And it's a lesson that applies to AI too. Start by asking yourself, why am I using AI for this problem? Is this problem so complex that traditional methods won't work? Now, let's say you're trying to program a system to recognize whether an image contains a cat or not. It's a deceptively simple problem, but traditional programming will struggle here. You will have to write millions of instructions for all possible cat shapes, sizes, and colors, something that's nearly impossible to do. And that's where AI, especially ML or machine learning, comes in. AI can be trained with examples instead of instructions. Show it millions of pictures of cats, and it'll learn and identify them, even in tricky cases. Sounds magic, right? But here's the thing. AI isn't magic. It introduces complexity and isn't as reliable as traditional code. And on top of it, it is expensive too. AI could be useful when the problem is too complex for clear-cut instructions. If that's not the case, you're better off sticking to the traditional programming. I believe AI is like a medicine. When you need it, but if you use it when you don't, it can do more harm than good. Imagine popping meds just because they are available. Not smart, right? The same goes for AI. It's powerful, but it's not for every problem. The companies that thrive with AI are the ones that truly understand its role. Now folks, you might be thinking AI is trendy, and if I don't jump on this train now, my company will miss out. I get it. There's a lot of pressure from the leadership and the board to innovate, and AI might sound like the right answer to it. But as many experienced business leaders will tell you, blindly following trends without understanding them could become dangerous for your products and company. So how do you figure out where AI fits in? You need to start by identifying the problem AI uniquely solves. Problems that are too complex for traditional methods. And when you find these cases, it's crucial to design, test, and deploy AI with a solid strategy. This isn't a set it and forget it situation. You need to be hands-on, and it helps to have someone on the team who truly understands AI to its core. Not just the tech, but the strategic side of it as well. Now, once you do this, AI can open doors you never knew existed. Automations at scale, faster decision making, streamlined processes, all of that becomes possible. But remember, the key is to use AI intelligently. So please, stop trying to force AI into your business just because it's cool. Start by identifying the real problem you're trying to solve. If AI fits, it's great. If not, don't be afraid to stick with traditional methods that might be better suited for you. And that's it for today. If you have any doubts or feedback, feel free to write them in the comment section below. For more videos on AI, you can check out our AI playlist here. Till then, that's Gaurav.